Hello everybody and welcome to Final Fantasy VII. On the last episode we actually went round the reactor and we kind of spent most of the time finding ways to sabotage this upcoming boss, and I was a little mean and I left you all on a cliffhanger of what was through these doors, and I'm guessing it's gonna be the boss. It's been leading up to this, so very nervous. While before this I was
It's locked down.
Is there any way we can get it open?
I'll tell you guys in a second.
Why does everything have to be so damn complicated?
I agree.
Faulty equipment storerooms that way too.
Do you think we'll find the components we diverted there?
It's like a treasure vault.
So what I was saying is when we were waiting, well, during episodes, I was just kind of
So how do we do this?
sorting out
It's simple.
battle stuff and materia and all that kind of stuff. I gave Tifa and a
Got these
Thunder
ones.
materia saying we'll be fighting a giant robot. I thought that might help.
Right, soldier boy.
Is this the thing we have to do all at the same time? Locks can be disabled by simultaneously. I can't speak. It's late and I can't speak. Operating level levers located on security panels. Barrett and Cloud's levers are operated by using L and R. Tifa's is a single push. Okay. I'm.
Emergency lockdown is currently in effect.
So we need to synchronize our movements?
In that case, follow my lead.
Nah, Tifa's.
Fine, have it your way.
Okay, pay attention, you two. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe.
Oh God.
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Damn it!
Shit.
We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, there we go. Third time's a charm.
Disengaged.
Gotcha.
Now that is what I call teamwork.
Go team.
Woo, go team. We did it.
Got tucked away in that vault.
That's just like, I love being around you.
This
I
would
love.
be the treasure vault.
Love it.
That's right.
What's the catch?
Need to bypass a high-level security lock.
Different from the other one?
Same deal. But we gotta do it several times.
Oh God.
Tight wads. But hearing that just makes me want to rob him more.
Yeah, let's stick it to him.
Oh gosh.
Delta level security lockdown is currently in effect.
Okay, guys. You know what we have to do.
Copy me?
No, Tifa leads.
Oh, fine. After you, girl.
Gotta get past level 1 first, right? 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit! I got to do it different ways.
Okay? Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Alpha level
There we go.
security disengaged.
That was great, you guys. Let's keep it up.
What way is it this time?
All right.
Both up,
3,
okay.
2, 1.
Beta
There we
level
go.
security disengaged.
Wow! Think we've got this?
Hell yeah, bring it on! Ain't nothing I love more than sticking it to Shinny.
Halfway there. Steady, guys. 3, 2, 1.
Damn it!
Don't rush it.
Boy, I went a bit fast on that one.
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Damn it! Ugh.
I'm still getting warmed up.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Gamma level
There we go.
security disengaged.
No way! You guys are naturals. Okay, final round. Don't lose focus. 3, 2, 1.
Damn it! Ah!
Breathe when I breathe. Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Damn it! Oh, I'm so bad.
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
No!
Got an idea. 7, 7, happen, happen, hoo-ah! 7, 7, happen, happen, hoo-ah!
What?
Hell no.
How about this then? 7, heaven, heaven, heaven.
Ugh. We're doing it my way. 3, 2, 1.
I did it completely out of time.
Breathe when I breathe.
I was doing so well.
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
No!
Push it. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Oh my god.
Delta level
I hate shit like that. I always take forever.
now accessible.
Because it's so easy. That it just feels so frustrating.
I was beginning to think it'd never end.
Hey, yo, Cloud, what's the deal? You really a bona fide soldier?
We didn't train for this stuff.
All that marching with no rhythm? How did you soldier on?
Okay, that's enough of that. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah. I said this before, but... but I'm just like... This is the most ridiculous freaking security stuff and like layout stuff and... I think I went the wrong way. Like, why would this be made like this? Ooh, materia. Magic up. Ooh. Do I give that to anyone? Let's have a look. What I got. I want to give the magic up to him. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. There we go, go back to Tifa. Yep. Is this where I needed? Is that what I wanted to open? Or am I crazy? I think it's through here. Yeah, okay. I hear music. Potions and music. Cloud, where are you going? Blow. Blow. There we go. What is this? Bombing mission? Wow, it's like they knew we were coming. Why some more high potion? Just to be on the safe side. Did I seriously like miss? I'm a bit confused. Is it wanting me to open something? Is that all that was over here? Oh no, it's here. Good job I came back.
It's just like Cloud said.
They say a job well done is on the wall. I say take everything that ain't nailed down.
Good job I came back, because I would have completely missed that. I was like, is it just materia in here? Weren't we supposed to get some other stuff? Good job I did. Okay. Now we continue. Can continue. You know what? I want to quickly save, because I have not saved for a while, and it'll probably save beforehand. But we're saving to be safe. Oh shit, we're on chapter 7. Last time I saved was on chapter 5. Okay. Let's continue. I'm very scared. Yo. Look at that! That is such a nice shot. That is such a lovely shot.
Huh? Huh? Look!
Ow.
Oh, the eyes of one who has bathed in Mako, which would make you a soldier.
Ex-soldier.
Once a soldier, always a soldier. Though not, alas, for very long. Accelerated cellular degradation being the most common cause of death by far. This is classified, of course, but every soldier knows the truth.
That's right.
Think you forgetting someone?
Would that I could. You strike me as the type to go on without hand.
Ain't enough hours in the day to hold you to account for all your crimes.
And what a wasteful indulgence it would be, even if there were.
Okay then. Let's talk about wasteful indulgence. What is Mako? The life stream. The lifeblood of the planet. Our planet. But Shinra keeps on slurping it up like a thirsty dog. What do you think's gonna happen if you don't stop, huh?
We do indeed keep on slurping it up, as you say. But
Slurping it up.
for whose benefit, I wonder. The true nature of Mako is known to one and all, yet the people willfully turn a blind eye to the cost. As you must surely be aware.
Don't you dare try to put this on us! If anyone's going along with your plans, it's cause you brainwashed them!
Such methods are beneath me. As are you, my faithful sewerettes. Henceforth allies of wicked Wutai, our sworn enemy. Thank you for stoking our people's patriotic fervor.
Wu-Tai! The hell we are! You still don't understand your role in this. What are they doing? Don't you see? You fools were never in control. Never anything but pawns in our plans to sell great and glorious war to the people. And your instruments of insurrection will detonate. When we so choose.
Oh shit.
Damn it! Now let us raise the curtain on our main event.
Oh fuck.
The trial of the eco-extremist group Avalanche. Terrorists conspired with Wutai against Midgard. Your guilt is undeniable. Your punishment, death.
Oh my god. Oh, we're on different sides again still.
I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all of this.
Oh no, Cloud.
Cloud, get your head in the game. We're counting on you, man.
Oh my god.
Are you alright?
I'm
Holy shit! Hey.
I got this. Bring it. There's no
Oh my god, the music. We'll keep attacking its back. See, wait, Tifa has a thing that gives us extra power from the back. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. Ah!
That sucked.
Oh, fuck, I just noticed the timer.
Get ready.
The music! Shut up, Heidegger.
Keep it together.
Oh, that's not good. Swap to Cloud. Go back to them.
Big boy means business. Don't make your eyeball pop.
Whoa! Got it.
Hurry up and what's coming to us.
Got this.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Do you need to...
You see but a fraction of this machine's true capabilities. Airbuster ready to fire.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that.
Don't overdo it.
Need my help, do you? Yeah. Damn.
That was too close.
We need to come up with a plan.
Oh. I just noticed there's things on the floor. Holy shit! What the fuck was that?
It's on you.
Hang back.
Just keep shooting it with Barrett.
Bring it home.
Taking over.
Oh!
I won't give up.
All right. Watch and learn. Bring in the heat.
Oh my god, the music. I can't get over this music.
I hate when they
Close. Oh shit. Barrett. Have that.
watch yourself.
Cloud.
Need my help.
Let's do
We're using Ifrit. Ifrit's probably the best for this.
duty calls.
Get him! Let's go! Oh my god, I can't. This is ridiculous. I love it. Oh my, I want to cry, this music. Wait. Oh, how have I only just noticed the fucking arm? Hello? Hear yourself.
Pushing it.
Nice, okay, right arm.
Don't stop till it's done.
Give them hell,
Leave
okay?
it to me. Don't stop now.
I was fighting right next to it and didn't even realize the arm for half of it. This is crazy. Oh, Barrett's pretty low. I'm glad the timer doesn't go down when this cutscene's going off.
Good job.
I am actually wanting to cry over the music.
It's on you.
Hang back.
Heal yourself. Then we're gonna use your limit.
It's on you.
Let's show Shinra who's boss. Run, run, run!
Let's do this right.
Taking over. Oh gosh. I need a breather.
Run, Cloud, run! No, shit! Cloud, you okay, boy?
Watch yourself.
Or is he?
Great.
Heal yourself again.
Come on.
And then we're gonna use your limit.
Take the lead.
Oh crap, what's happening now? Shit, oh my god!
All those drones. Time to do your thing, big man.
Watch and learn. Just make sure you got my back, all right? Still. Hip fire.
Items. Tifa also has Thunder, so let's get Tifa in on this.
I got this.
Let's go. Gotta sting. Watch yourself.
Hang back.
This is nuts! Oh my god, this is incredible! Heal yourself.
I know you can do it.
You're out.
I got this. Here we go.
Triple slash.
It's on you.
Oh, you know what? I should probably assess it. Just for kicks.
Hang back. Keep it together.
Yeah, we know. We know it's gonna be weak to electricity and thunder, all that lovely stuff.
Watch yourself.
Oh shit, run!
I'm waiting. It's on you.
Spells. Let's get some more. The electricity, the thunder does quite a bit of damage.
Yeah.
It's gonna make it stagger more. Oh shit, trying to get out of that.
You're out.
Taking over. I got this.
All set. Want this? Good luck.
Let's do this.
Oh no!
We'll get through this.
Now I shall watch you fly swinging.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta be smart.
Take it over.
Need my help, do you? Gonna make your eyeballs pop.
Oh shit! No! Shit! 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 Get Barrett.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see, anyone else do anything? I guess you can use fire. Actually, no, heal yourself. No, Tifa. You're Tifa.
Watch yourself.
Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh shit! I think I dodged it. Oh, I rolled into that. Shit, Barrett's down.
Can't afford to be reckless.
It's almost time for the grand finale. You will learn like the reactors you sold.
This. Can we just take a second to appreciate this music again? Just
Shake it off, okay?
I got this. Deal with that. Love you now.
Right, keep it all to
Oh shit!
All tap. Pour it on. Back off.
Nice, it's staggered. Okay, we need to heal Barrett. Spells. Heal Barrett. Save the boy.
Watch this. No holding back. Take him down.
This is just such a good fucking boss fight. I cannot. This is such a good fight.
You're up.
Hang back.
Giving it my all.
My apologies, but it is time that we part ways.
Woo!
This footage will prove invaluable in raising morale of our sister rank fire.
Shut up.
We almost got this. Come on, guys.
Bring it on.
Let's show 'em what we made of. Time to fry.
We got this.
Bring it.
Oh god. That was not good. Tifa. You're kind of out of range, like, of the monster right now. You do that.
Shake it off.
From halfway across. Fuck.
It's on you.
Need to heal up.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god! Oh shit, Tifa! Oh my god, we cannot lose right now. Bring them back.
Good to go? I'm not going out like this.
Oh good, we missed. We dodged. Maybe don't jump into it. No, not that. I want thunder.
Take the lead?
Great.
Give me your best shot.
Push it.
Mega potion. Let's use Antifa because then Cloud hopefully almost has his ATB and we can res Barrett.
Still up for it?
Oh, Tifa! Tifa! Ouch.
My turn.
Oh, shit! got it. We used 2 limits at once, it's fine. That was so close by the end.
We don't have long to get clear.
Take Tifa and get out of here.
I was wrong about you.
This ain't the end of the line for you or me.
Come on!
No! Good job we had that. Oh shit, it broke. Oh crap. That was nuts. But it looks like we finished that chapter. So I do think this would be a good place to stop for today. So once this thing has happened, we'll pause. Pause here. We'll pause. So looks like we finished that chapter. I feel this is a good place to stop for now. And I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who made it this far through the video. It really does mean a lot to me. If you are not already, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. They always help me out, as well as likes. If you had anything to say about the episode itself, don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading comments. I love replying to comments and seeing what people think. So yeah, that'd be fun. But yes, thank you all again for watching all the way to the end of this video. It really does mean a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!